The Mercury Marine app offers a boatload of features and benefits for Mercury owners. Here's how to get the app and create an account. Search for the Mercury app in the iOS Apple Store or Google Play Store. The app shows up as Mercury Marine with a lifestyle subheading. Download the app. Once the download is complete, hit Open. Your device will prompt you to allow notifications. Choose Allow so you'll be automatically notified of important news and updates. Next, manage location access. Location is needed to make the Bluetooth connection to your SmartCraft Connect module. Press Allow while using app. Choose your region. Don't worry, we won't tell anyone where you are. One more request. The app needs to allow Bluetooth so it can connect with your SmartCraft Connect module. The app will notify you that if you choose No, you will not receive any data through the app. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. After you've accepted the privacy policy, click Continue. When you get to the sign-in screen, select Sign Up Now. Note that you may need to scroll down to see the Sign Up Now option. You'll be prompted to enter a valid email address. That's where you'll receive a verification code. Enter the code, then create and confirm a password. You can use the password your device creates for you if you'd like. Press Create. Your Mercury app account is now good to go.